In the world, where the world needs plumbers, one plumber rises above all. It's Plumber Chris Plumber. Chris Plumber tries to turn on the hose. And nothing's happening. Chris Plumber, with his little sidekick, Tootyboro, with a spoon. All the way. So, Chris Plumber, how'd you get this job?
Turn off the water! There's nothing to see. Stop! Stop, that's cold!
Tootyboro, are you going to do something to help?
Oh, no.
Plumber Chris, what are you doing?
Oh, no! Oh, no! Stop! Stop! Can you help me? This is an awful job. I'll put that in. Who cares?
Plumber Chris. He's a plumber, and his name is Chris.
I'm gonna fight for you.
Where'd Tootyboro go? Tootyboro! Tootyboro! Tootyboro, where are you? Oh, Tootyboro, there you are! And Tootyboro!